Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create this papercut effect in Adobe Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file and use these dimensions. Select the rectangle tool and click once. Put the artboard dimensions and do the center align. Apply the color to it. Select the type tool and type your text. Adjust its size. Go to the type menu and change its case to upper. Here, I am using the Franklin Heavy font. Link of this font is mentioned in the description. Right-click on it and choose Create Outlines. Then hold the Alt key and create a copy of it. Go to the Knife tool and create a cut in the center of the text. Right-click on it and ungroup them. Select the top of the text. Go to the Free Transform tool. And click at the center and drag slightly to the right side. Now, select the bottom part and repeat the process. Apply the colors to it. Here, I am using these colors. Select the colored text. Right-click and group them. Then select both and do the center align. Select the black text, right-click on it, arrange and send it back. And follow me. Go to the Effect menu, Stylize and choose Drop Shadow. Follow my settings and hit OK. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments section. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.